Hi, in continuation to whatever we discussed in the morning, the Savukku case, the Jananayagan case, and the Supreme Court stray dogs case also got added. Savukku case, there was an appeal by the state police to cancel his interim bail. Arguments on both sides were heard in detail by the Honorable Court, and they have reserved judgment for Friday. So most likely the bail will get cancelled, and Savukku will have to approach the Supreme Court. But there was a setback in Supreme Court today. Mr. Savukku, everyone will know that he had filed a petition during the vacation which came under Lordship S. Subramanian's bench for de-sealing his office and defreezing his bank accounts, etc. So that relief was not granted, and Mr. Subramanian directed him to go back to the lower court. Instead, Mr. Savukku decided to go to Supreme Court on the SLP. That unfortunately got dismissed today, saying that please go back to the lower court. So that's the crux of those setbacks to Mr. Savukku. So hopefully next week he should be in Supreme Court trying to protect his interim bail. Having said that, Jananayagan too, or both sides' arguments are heard in detail and judgments resolved. Hopefully, that also will come out by Friday. And that's doesn't look positive that judgment because the court might ask Jananayagan producers to go and comply with the statutory requirements of the CBFC and undergo the testing so that they can get a certificate. That's the Jananayagan story. But we need to tell that, I've been complaining that, Vijay doesn't have proper advisors. In fact, this matter shouldn't have reached the court. They should amicably settle through dialogues. That's what they should have done. And this is another blunder, just like Toro. So, having said that, there's a guy called Periyar Saronan, part of the dirtiest Periyarist group, is campaigning for it. France Navlechi has highlighted this. I hope Vijay and his supporters have a look at it. In fact, not just supporters, be advisors also. And distance themselves from this Periyarist group because that's going to pull them down. It's not going to help them. Then the stray dog case came up, and as usual, all these NGOs are coming and trying to give Gyan how they need to love the dogs, etc. And in between, Menaka Gandhi's counsel appeared, and he was trying to give some Gyan. The judges were extremely ruthless, and they told them, we should be holding your madam in contempt. We have that's our magnanimity that we're not done it, and so ask her to shut up. So that's beautiful. So this is the update. Thank you very much, please.